Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you what I know about a 1969 or 70 Mustang pedal assembly. So let's get right to it, make it quick, and hopefully I don't get too windy here. So this is a 4-speed with power brakes. If you have power brakes, your pivot point for your brake is this bolt here. If you have manual brakes, it is actually connected inside here on the rod or the shaft that the clutch pedal actually has. It's I don't know why Ford did it. It's really crazy to think about that you have all these different scenarios. But if you're going from an automatic to a manual, you'll need to buy this bracket, and that bracket is Scott Drake Part C9CZZ7535A. It's $35, and then you don't get any hardware. Of course, I was lucky enough I did have this bolt, which is the one that goes through to the other side and captures the power pedal. Real quick before I get too far into it here, is this pedal was actually an automatic, and all you have to do is cut the tab, or cut this much off, and then you're done. There's no other difference. So that's one little way you can cheat and save yourself some money. I also bought a clutch switch, a brake switch off eBay. The part number is D9AZ13480-A, and this is a new old stock. Probably some old parts store sold out, and that's a good quality part there. I also didn't have the clip that actually holds the shaft for your clutch in, and I had to purchase this from West Coast Classics Cougar. It's 30849. It has an emoji of a piece of crap. It says we don't recommend this part, and it is an actual terrible part. But the other option was buying a used one for $20, so I spent $2. I had to bend the crap out of it with pliers, but it is not coming off. It's not pretty. I'm not proud of it, but it's functional. So, what I'll do here is I'll show you the installation of this. This is the actual clutch spring that goes on to 69 and 70s. This came in one of the boxes with all my parts. All you need to do is when this isn't in the car, your pedal goes. I mean, if it's only going to be able to go probably about this low. If you can kind of see the angle here, because your firewall is going to be here, so I'd say your pedal is going to max out in this range. But since it's not in the car, you can bring your pedal the rest of the way up, and then you can put your spring in here. The one side of the perch goes here. The other side will go right here. And like I see, I may have it. Actually, I think I stuck it in. I might have stuck it in backwards there. Let me check. There we go. And then you just push it in, and then push. You're done. I also have a little rubber bumper that goes down in this hole here. I gotta find that. It's in the car, I think. So I'll jam that on after the video, and that's pretty much it. So hopefully this video finds its way to somebody that needs it, because I wish I would have seen one of these. All the ones I saw, they were on like 68 or earlier Mustangs. So, and I also use this book. It is called a 69 Mustang Chassis Assembly Manual, and it's a Jim Osborne production. It's really, really helpful. All the pages are kind of like watermarked with official Ford, and that way you can't photocopy them. But my goodness, it's almost like the assembly manual book that they use. I have one on the chassis and then another one on the electrical, and it's going to be really helpful putting my box of parts together here. So please like and subscribe, share this to anybody that you, and if you have any comments, suggestions, anything I missed that might be helpful to other viewers, just put them down below the video, and I will see everybody next time.